Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm continuing to set up my site zoom.ro, and so far I edited its main landing page, so it is in Romanian. I added also a game, so if you click on play Zuma, because this is how you translate this, you will see the sorcerer game pop up, and this is a basic Zuma game, so you will be able to play it when you click it. And yeah, you might know the Zuma game from here. So I still need to make some edits to the site, but so far so good. It also has a logo, some branding to it. I must add more games because this is needed. I will search for more Zuma style games and will be adding them here. So this is what I will be doing in the future for the main landing page of the site. However, right now let me show you some steps that I will make. So far, as I said in my previous video, I have added perf matters and WP Rocket. These two plugins were added to increase the performance and load time of my site, and so far so good. In my opinion, I got pretty good results so far from it. So today I will be going into WP Setup Wizard. This is a plugin that I am developing right now. It is not yet available for sale, or you cannot download it from anywhere. It will be ready in a month, I guess, and afterwards I will release it to the public. But right now let's go ahead and see how we will use the WP Setup Wizard plugin. So if we click on its main menu, we will see that we will have some settings fields here. We can use a quick setup wizard, or we can go into each and every menu of the plugin. So let us try first the setup wizard, and this will allow us to run a quick setup of the site. Okay, so this is the quick setup. Let's hit let's go. I will not be using this because I mainly set things up here. I will be only showing you guys how this looks. So you can set the title, tagline, admin email, delete posts, create content, about us page, contact us, affiliate disclosure. I already created this page. This is why I will not be using this feature anymore. Also, the setup wizard part of the plugin is not ready yet, and I will be not continuing to these pages because they are not ready. So because of this, let's go back in the admin section of the plugin and let's see the menus that it has, because I already made much work here and it has many features that the setup wizard part does not have yet. So site settings, we can set the title, tagline, admin email, change the uncategorized category name, set the permalink structure of the site, also change date format, time zone, time format. We can delete all post pages categories. We can create these pages. We can moderate comments and change comment settings. We can change image settings, and we have also an under construction mode that we can enable. For legal, we have cookie consent notice, legal pages, privacy policy generator, which will generate a privacy policy page for us, terms and conditions page generator, cookie policy generator, GDPR request post generator, and so on. We have a theme installer, plugin installer. We have also security related settings, let's check the security settings real quick. So we can change the login URL, limit login attempts count, and some other HTTPS enforce for front-end for our admin, and reCAPTCHA integration, database backup, SEO settings, social settings, monetization, where we can replace content with our affiliate links added to it, and Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, commission junction, and more will come here. And branding, we can also brand our login page and site. So this is a very complex plugin, and I already used it to set up this site. So yeah. So this is for today's video. Let me know, guys, what you wish to know more about this site, and you can follow also future videos that I will make where I will continue to set it up and to make it a high traffic site for online games in Romania, because this is a niche site for online games, especially for the Zuma game in Romania. So we have here the basic setup and also the basic Zuma game already set up, so that visitors that land on the page will have some entertainment until I manage to add more content and more games to it. So yeah, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned from this video. If yes, please subscribe to this channel, because I release new content each day at 7 p.m. GMT. So if you subscribe, please hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.